Oh, guys, hello. Let's do some live trading. All right, MICT, pretty much it's definite agreement to sell to DPW. I was thinking a dip buy here potentially. Zooming out, zooming out. What's the volume on this? Volume's pretty good on this one as well. IGC as well. Dip buy. I noticed. So the volume's actually pretty good on this. So I'm gonna keep my eye out on this. This one had pretty good news with some positive Alzheimer test results as well. Is there enough time? That wasn't really a significant enough sell-off, to be honest. The problem with this is that there's resistance here. Well, no, here in $1.80, so it's not working with the risk to reward ratio. Chad, what's he doing? What's Chaddy up to? He's an LANU. I want to see it panic a little bit more. Volume's good though. IGC. People must have read the article. It wasn't really anything significant. It wasn't FDA approval. It was just they had a few mice. They gave them the drug. They were 50% better at spatial awareness or short-term memory than the ones that didn't have the drug. So the background noise is get my blood sugars up a little bit. Had a nap earlier, woke up, dinner, trading. Yeah, so you see what I mean? So, that is technically a bit of a dip, but it's just, that's not it. Okay. It was pretty flat, unfortunately. Every time I do this, it seems that nothing much happens, but very early into the session, I can only really trade probably not even a half an hour into the session. I'm up at 2:30 tomorrow. Gotta set my alarm. Come on. What else is there? Alright. IGC. Oh. It's volume here. Man. I sort of missed the entry there, so I'm not going to chase it. It's laggy. And really? Come on. Sorry, just chatting with someone as well. IGC, that really didn't have a sell-off, like a panic either. So, I mean, this isn't bad, honestly. If you got in, what's the high of that candle there, like 1-1? Well, no, not really. Clutch in the straws there, Scotty. Okay. Let us have a look. I'm going to close down LANU. BYG. Was this a blockchain play? It might be. It would make sense because it's the biggest move so far. Don't. Come on. The attempt was running so well. Come on. Okay. I'm going to zoom out. Again, guys, just dip buys is going to be the focus here. So this is No. Well, I mean, it could fall away. Oh, look at this. BURG. Interesting ticker to the name of the company. Genticular Holdings. Probably butchered the pronunciation. So it's talking about blockchain technology to power cryptocurrency rewards program. Oh, okay. Interesting. Sounds like, a bit of a hypey sort of play. But, ultimately, faded away pretty nicely in pre-market. This is the biggest mover, really. Look, the focus for me is just to buys. I've just got to get good at one thing. I did a few breakout sort of plays last year, but it seemed that just with my results with the demo testing and going through a lot of stocks with back testing as well, it made a lot more sense for me with the dip buys as well. So right here it's consolidating sideways, nothing much you don't want to do with that. It's unfortunate how it's lagging a little bit, but gonna make do. BURG, what's it doing? It's probably going to be heavy selling in $5 range, you'd imagine. Well, it's not really. I mean, this needs to collapse and then, at least get down to the 445 or even down here in the lower $4 range, and it hasn't done that. And I'm coming prepared, but I'm finding the more chart time I get, the easier it is to understand. It's just obviously difficult sometimes with schedules and whatnot, but that's life. I'm looking for bigger volume than this, so this one I'm eliminating, this one I'm eliminating, all that. DIGP, I'll look at. The thing is as well, like I want to give enough time to focus on one stock and then go to the other one. This one is not. This is sideways now with BURG. Oh, not responding. Well, come on. I pay my money. Just work. Okay, these guys had record results for the fiscal year ending September 30. Okay. Real low floater. Our volume's pretty good compared to its average volume as well. I'm going to have to call this soon, guys, unfortunately. I don't really like making the dragged out videos. I was hoping for a little bit more of a panic on MICT. Didn't really get it. Moved quite a lot pre-market, so people were really taking that news on board and buying pretty heavily. BURG, that sort of sell off as well. So Stephen Johnson's trade on that as well. Congrats, brother. Getting it done. A few hundred a day, man. You know, if I was doing that consistently for a year, I'd be day job. See you later. Thanks for coming. You know, especially if you can do it on plays that there's nothing really crazy about them. It's not like you're relying on mania of a hot sector. It's just this. You know, you bought into it. Well, I mean, blockchain, you know, yeah, but there's always going to be something. But it didn't move ridiculously, and you sold it nicely. So, is there some support here? It's a dip buy. We've seen a bounce. I think it's laggy. Laggy. I want to see this candle close. 448, low of 437. Volume sort of petered out a little bit. So it's good to see a little bit of a pickup in volume this one before you sort of get in. Seen a bit of a breakdown here. IGC. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. That's normal. It's okay for me. It's not. I'm crashing and burning here a little bit, guys. Crashing and burning. No breakdown there. Not liking that. You see what I mean? Like you've got to be. It's like a balancing act. You got to be ready, but you still have to have that moment of clarity where there's a few seconds where the decision's made and the trade's ended. And I wasn't even prepared to make the trade. I mean, I haven't even ended things. I'm actually ill prepared. DI. Yeah, look, I'm going to end the video, guys. No trade. BURG, good volume, but I see this one. Just looking at the bid and ask. Big buy. That's a big buyer. In the 425s. Eaten up. We'll see. We'll see on this one, guys. I think I've got to call it a night, unfortunately. I will. Guys, thank you for watching. Happy trading. Good luck for the session as well. I'm going to keep sticking just to dip buys for now. I will be funding a small live account shortly too, probably next week. Although I did notice in the comment section that a gentleman had issues with credit card funding. I had that as well, but I still think you can do a wire transfer. So I will see. We'll see what happens. Commonwealth Bank might say no, and that's going to be headaches. So hopefully they don't. If they do, then there's a few other options where you can fund an account in the US. PDT is still present, but it's a few thousand. It might even be 2,000. And if that's the case, that's the case. I'm going to have to start live trading soon. I want the account ready because I'll spend the money on something else, probably car modifications or something I've got to go for. So, yep. I need to get it in the account. Anyway, is this bouncing here? Anyway, I'll keep you updated on Instagram. If something does happen, Scotty's Trading is my Instagram name. Bye for now.